Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have some special guests today, Naomi Wu and Estefannie, you may recognize from their own awesome YouTube channels. And we've been taking apart some cool Chinese gadgets with Naomi, but for my channel, we're gonna eat some candy. So the ladies are going to put on these blindfolds, we're gonna try each other's favorite candies. That's what we're doing today.
Yes, candy. Can't wait.
Thank you for having us.
Yep.
Yes.
Thanks for coming.
Super excited.
Great, okay, so don the blindfolds, because my candies are pretty mainstream American, and I want you to see if you can guess. You said you know a lot of American candy.
Yeah. All of the because in China they also sell all kinds of candies from around the world. So I often go to the foreign market and just grab whatever snacks they have of candy they have. So I think this is not a challenge for me.
Okay, great. Are you guys ready for candy number one?
Okay.
Okay.
For those at home, this is the candy we're having right now.
Is it open? Is there was no package?
You can put the thing, just put it in your mouth.
I'm so scared. I don't know why.
Because Estefannie doesn't like it.
No, I do. I know what it is.
You do know what it is? You guys gotta guess at the same time. Wait until Naomi knows you're ready to make your guess. Okay, 1, 2, 3, guess.
It's candy corn.
Yes. Candy corn.
I don't know.
Okay, great. Take your blindfold off and you can look.
Can I have another one?
Yes, please.
Candy corn. I never had this before.
Really?
Yeah,
I love this
I like
growing up. It's my Halloween go-to.
Yeah,
candy.
Halloween. Since Halloween's at the end of next month, now they have candy corn in the store. It's seasonal.
I got freaked out by the texture.
Yeah, it is a flaky texture, isn't it? Great job, guys. How do you think about the candy corn, Naomi? Do you like it? No, it's gross.
It's a no for me.
I really like candy corn, but I also have a problem where even when I'm done eating it, I can't stop eating it.
Me too. I just had more.
Okay, next one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
No peeking. No peeking.
No peeking.
For those at home, here's what we're having. And maybe it's too big for one bite. You can take a little bite of it.
It's chocolate.
It's chocolate and...
That tastes like the one I ate at Christmas. From IKEA.
Oh, I don't know if they sell this at IKEA.
Like a calendar chocolate, it tastes like.
Can you identify the non-chocolate substance?
I think I know what it is. Xingyuan almond, something almond,
Almond what? Oh, you don't need to know the word for it. It's
Definitely
okay.
almond. There's definitely almond. You're right.
Estefannie, do you know what the almond candy is called? Because we can't knock Naomi for not knowing
Almond
the word.
Joy. No, it's not Almond Joy.
Okay, well you guessed almond, which is close enough. Take your blindfolds off. It's marzipan.
Oh, yeah, that's
which
why I
is
was like,
almond sugar paste. So you got the flavor. It's almond. Yeah, marzipan.
No, yep.
Yeah, this is a German.
They have it in
German
I
candy bar.
had it before.
Yeah.
Okay.
More.
For those of you at home, I saved my absolute favorite or my latest favorite for now. Okay, ready? Here's it in your hand.
It's soft gummy. What gummy?
It's a gummy. It's okay. It's delicious gummy. It's not a scary. It's not a squid flavored gummy. I promise.
Is this a German brand also? It's called Gummy something.
It is a German brand. Yep.
Haribo.
Haribo. Yeah, Haribo.
Yep. Haribo brand. But have you had this one before?
Yeah, I have this.
Is it cherry one?
Nope.
No.
Does the other one have a different flavor? You have 2 flavors in yours.
Oh, that's why I'm so confused.
Yeah. That's okay. You can take your blindfold off.
I think it was cherry.
You had a green and yellow one, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's the Haribo Twin Snakes. One of them is sweet and one of them is sour. And you had a yellow and orange or yellow and green one, apple and lemon.
Wow, I totally missed that.
These are cool because you can eat them like together and get the combined flavor, or you can like split them apart and eat like the sweet one and then the.
I didn't know. I never had this one.
I could eat like 5 bags of these.
I knew they were Haribo because texture.
Yeah, texture.
I'm a gummy snob.
Right, and the texture is just like the cherries. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, I found this one from where I live. So this is Texan. I did not grow up grow up eating these, but they look delicious, and that's why I got them. And I'm struggling opening them. Hold on.
There's scissors. Where are they?
Yes, please. I'll go get it. Oh,
I promise I'm not peeking at the candy. Just the scissors.
Whoa!
All right, I'm gonna keep them. The scissors are over with you now, and I'm not gonna go reaching for things while I got my blindfold on anymore.
No, it's okay. And nothing happened. So, no peeking.
No peeking.
Okay. So yeah, I'll show it to the camera. So this is something I found in Texas. This is very well known. Texans love this thing. For those at home, if you want to see it. Now I'm gonna put here one, and one for me.
Oh, I have it before. Got me something.
Yeah, but the flavor.
Ooh. I think I know.
Coke. I've been Coca-Cola.
Yeah, it's a gummy Coke bottle.
Mm-mm.
No?
No.
Oh, shoot. I don't know that. Gummy root beer?
Keep tasting.
Gummy Dr. Pepper.
I mean, you're kind of close.
Gummy.
Pepsi.
Yeah, right? It really tastes like cola.
Yeah.
Cherry Coke?
I'll give you a hint. It's not a brand. You're giving me brands, but it's not a brand.
Cola. Cola.
But it's a drink, but it's not.
It's not cola?
Mm-mm.
It really tastes like cola to me.
Yeah.
I can't get cola.
I can see that, but I also feel that. Can you try one?
It's
You're
not
the Texan
root- it's
one.
not root
You're
beer.
the Texan one. Can you, the Texan guy? Can you show us?
Sweet tea.
That's not this.
It's not a sweet tea
It is
flavored?
this thing. Yeah, it is. You got it. You got it.
Is that sweet tea?
It is sweet tea.
Okay.
Yes, sweet
Yeah.
tea.
Okay,
No,
great.
you go.
That was my guess. After you insisted that it's not cola.
Yeah,
I see.
sorry. I
Sweet
had
tea
to
gummies,
help.
yeah.
Yeah, sweet tea.
Cool. I like it.
Those are good.
This is also funny. I just brought stuff from Texas. This is from Austin, Texas, and it's my favorite. It's like I'm giving them. They're not sponsoring us at all. I just really like them.
Anyway,
for
video
those
is
at
not
home,
sponsored by any candy company.
Not sponsored by anybody, but these are so good.
It's a
and I
big
love
treat
these.
for me. Like
Sponsored by our own enthusiasm.
Yeah.
And also, thank you so much. It's a big treat for me. Like, oh man,
Okay.
some of the candies I've never tasted before. I've tasted everything.
Oh, I know what this is. You gave us a bit of a warning earlier about this.
That's why we have water.
There is something here on the table that I want to reach for, but
Yeah.
I can't see. But it's okay. I'll take my blindfold off if I need it. Mmm. It's like a Dorito, but it's really, really spicy.
Kind of bitter.
Like really spicy.
I'm good.
It's alright. Are you want another one?
Ooh.
No, I'm good.
Is it like yeah, it's hot pepper Doritos. Or something. It's chips. Oh, it's burning. The burning is getting
Yeah.
worse.
But I can.
I feel like that's the kind of thing. If you just kept eating it, it doesn't hurt until you stop, and then your mouth is just on fire.
Yeah.
Yep.
So before. Where's the water?
Right here.
Can I take my blindfold off? What is it?
Yeah. So it was pepper.
Oh, I see. So it is like Doritos, but like fancy
Yeah.
brand.
So you got it
Ooh,
right, basically.
Those are good.
Yeah. You like it?
Not too spicy, but like really
But
spicy.
no. If I take a couple more, I probably have to drink water. But now,
Yeah.
it's, you know, it's nothing for me.
Oh, I think I gave you one without a lot of dust in it. I'm kidding. I have
coffee.
one more.
Okay, I'm excited. This is fun,
Hopefully-
guys.
Yes. This is also funny. This is also from Texas. I'm not going to say what it is, but for those at home, this is what it is. This is what it has. There.
Chocolate.
Oh, it's chocolate.
But,
Peanut butter chocolate.
There's peanut butter chocolate. There's a different flavor. There's
you
another
got
flavor
some
in there.
parts right. The chocolate part is right. The peanut part is right. You're missing an ingredient.
I know. I taste something different. What is it? Something I recognize.
Nuts, some kind of nuts. Nut. What? Chestnut.
Well, yeah, like hazelnut. It tastes like hazel. It's got hazelnuts in it. Or hazelnut flavor.
Maybe we shouldn't have the chips before this. I don't think you can taste this at all.
Let the chips last.
So you give up? I see the salt.
Yeah, okay.
Jimmy has it. Sorry. It's jalapeno.
Oh,
But you probably
right,
have
but it
this-
doesn't
yeah.
even register since we still
just
have
had
spicy on our
ghost
tongue.
pepper. Yeah.
No.
Because I feel spicy, but I didn't know if it was a chocolate or the chips.
I didn't notice because I'm still burning. Yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't notice.
Yeah.
I see. That's good.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
None of you guys have tried Chinese, candies. So of course you can't guess what it is. You probably can guess the flavor.
Yeah.
So probably your audience haven't tasted it at all.
Right.
So
I don't know.
just
I've been to
transfer.
an Asian grocery store or two in my
yeah.
life.
Me too.
And you try to buy the thing that has no English on it to try to taste it.
Shanghai rice crackers, but it's soft. It's supposed to be soft. I ate it when I was a kid. I hated it. But I think a lot of Chinese love to see foreigners eat weird food so that we can see you guys make weird faces. So
How do you even? Do you peel
so
off?
when I was a kid, you're supposed to peel it off. So like this.
Okay.
I only have a little bit. I hate it.
You hate it. Here, eat it. That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still the same
a
taste
little
when I
bit.
was a kid.
It's like gum. The texture's
Oh.
like gum.
I see. I see. So the rice is just a delivery for the sugar that's in it. So it just tastes like sugar. Texture's kind of interesting.
I hate the texture
Mm.
so much.
Ugh.
It's like
It's
it's like a bowl of sand.
yeah. You know those It's a little boring. It's true.
I feel like this is what we're gonna be eating in the future. Like,
Yeah.
here's your
Here's your dinner.
Soylent.
Oh, so depressing.
I mean, I'm still eating it.
I don't hate it.
So next we have 黑白配. Black and white, so it's kind of like pocky. A lot of you who have pocky before, this is just like pocky. So this is coconut cake, what caramel flavor. So this is the caramel flavor. I picked caramel. They have like mango flavor too, but I don't think that tastes good. This one is okay.
I'm excited.
It's in this foil bag, and then you open it.
There you go.
Oh.
Chocolate.
Chocolate
Okay,
from outside.
just have a little bit.
I'm good. Yeah.
I feel weird if you don't eat your own candy.
I only ate one of my own candies.
I'm the only one eating everything.
Try new things.
I forgot, and then
Stephanie
you
eats
know.
it all.
Yes. It's nice.
You could use this as a straw.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh,
for like
people do
ice
that,
cream,
yeah.
melted ice cream. Ooh. Ice cream sundae.
Or like the milk that I'm not allowed to drink because
Do
I'm
the
lactose
almond
intolerant.
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. It won't come up because there's no suction.
Oh, so it's not an airtight cookie? Is that what you're saying? A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah. And then
Important.
on the end will be nice.
Yeah.
It was worth a try for sure.
Alright, basic how. This one is like lollipop, but it's super popular in China. A lot of Chinese have tasted it. Usually I get strawberry flavor and milk flavor, just plain milk flavor, but this one is lemon milk. So
Here. You pay one. Oh, hi. I keep forgetting that. There's.
Lemon milk.
Oh, it's tiny. It's actually really good.
Mm-hmm.
It
It is really
reminds me
good.
of the British ones.
Like a lemon cookie it tastes like lemon custard. That's what it tastes like, lemon custard.
oh man. Next up, this I've never tried this before. I just
See, that's what makes me suspicious. If you never had it before.
So this one is called
Yeah.
like sashimi candy. It's not from my hometown. It's from Ningbo. Anyone from Ningbo is close to Zhejiang. So Zhejiang is in like also in the south, but up. So right next to Shanghai and stuff. And mostly I see these old people eat.
Old people eat it and I've never tried it. Here!
Yeah. like you know the tape we use, the transparent
Scotch tape, yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's just like
Hand packaged
Yeah.
by
Like
your
caramel.
grandma.
by your grandma. Yeah.
So that's why old people candy.
Oh.
I hope
Oh.
it tastes good. It's falling apart. It's falling apart. Like a paste or something.
I know it is. It's sesame. It's like halva. That
Can we share?
yes, that
love it.
that Israeli candy that's made with sesame.
Oh, it's like coming.
Instead of like the marzipan is made with almonds, it's made with sesame and sugar. I love it.
That's so sesame.
Yeah, isn't it good? I like that.
Just
You don't like it though, Naomi.
Nope. Another old people fruit candy, 陈皮梅. It's a lot of people it is for when we have herbal tea we will eat this and just
Preserved plum.
Oh.
Whoa.
can I have it before so
Whoa.
I'm so scared.
Naomi's really bringing the heat over here. Weird candies.
oh man it's another wrapper. Oh man.
Oh, plum.
You don't like plums? I like plums.
Okay. Oh, it's an actual plum.
So that means it's kind of a prune, actually.
Yeah.
It's a prune. I like prunes.
Okay. I'm like, okay, I can
You're
do this.
convincing yourself.
I can do
It's gonna
this.
be really good.
Smells just like
Oh, yum.
a medicine I used to have to take when I was a
It
kid.
tastes like it too. It's good. I like that.
That's good.
Definitely
Alright.
weird though.
Oh,
You guys are weird. You like weird candies? I don't.
I'm gonna.
Did you bring us only candies you don't like, Naomi?
Of course not. What kind of person do you have?
Then you're like appalled that we like it.
Next one, I love this one when I was a kid, but this is supposed to, when you have a sore throat, usually you can grab some of this in the drugstore. It's called honey liquat loquat candy. So basically,
it's a fruit, right?
yeah, it's a fruit, and also they put some honey in it. So if you have a sore throat, you can eat this, and it helps smooth your throat. And I ate it just like ordinary candy. My mom was like, "Oh, you crazy? You can't eat this very often." I'm like, "It's okay. There is no like real medicine in it, so it should be fine. You just a fruit that can smooth your throat." So,
Oh, okay, for like sore throat.
yeah.
So it's like cough drops.
I love look at this. Yeah,
so
look at
pretty.
Oh my goodness. Oh, when I was a kid, there was no like a foil package like this. They just put like a foil wrappers around it. So now they upgraded their packaging. I don't know about the taste, but inside I always try to bite inside once I open it because the you know it's like a sort of like a paste.
Yeah, I can see it. There's like a a paste inside.
There's nothing. Before it's like a fold of it. Now I think they cut down the infill.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, I also used to eat cough drops as a kid. For fun. These are reminding me of that. Yeah.
I would be worried if I didn't know everything that you just told us. I would have been like, there's a bug in my candy.
Looks like it. It's right in the middle. Damn.
It does look like there's a bug in there.
Yep.
It's just a small.
It's like Jurassic Park.
It's just a.
With the bug and the amber or the. Jurassic Park.
Yeah. I know this. This is Unix. It's like my favorite movie
I
line of all
love
time.
it. I love it.
Here's the action part. This one is Japanese candy. I saw it in the store. I just can't help. I have to grab it because I like it so much. It's like kind of like sour. It says sour pop, but Coca-Cola flavor. But
Okay. I still have like the cough drop.
Cough drop, a menthol. That's okay. This whole afternoon, it's just a flavor explosion.
I didn't get you the super sour one.
That's
This one is
citric
more
acid.
light.
Like that's totally just sour powder right there.
Yeah.
Powdered citric acid.
I'm not okay.
You don't like
It's not
super
that
sour?
I like it, but I'm not good with it.
It's not super
It would make us make really funny faces. Oh yeah. It's really sour.
I'm drooling.
Oh my god, both of you guys' nose turned red immediately. Oh my god, what happened? What happened?
Woo!
It's good. I like it. I like it a lot.
But after that part, this slightly slow down a little bit, and then get inside. There was
There's another sour inside. Because I mean, I recognize that substance on the outside as that sour citric acid powder, but you're saying we get in the inside and there's more sour?
a little bit in the
I'm gonna bite mine.
A little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, these are really good. Weird.
I'm scared.
Man, both of your nose.
My nose turned red. Yeah, because I can feel a little blood rushing to my face.
Oh man.
It makes me a little sweaty.
Even though it's not spicy candy.
No, it's just it's sour. It's good. I like that.
Really? That's too late. I torture myself every day. Sometimes
I prefer. We have a candy that's similar called Warheads, and they come in like fruit flavors. So I don't think I'm crazy about the cola flavor, but I love the archetype of the hard candy with the sour outside and the more sour inside. I'm on board.
No,
the other one is there was a blue one. It's super sour.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
like, no way, man. If they eat it, they would be like, oh. Like, this one is just mild.
Oh gosh.
That's good. Very very intense.
So that's all the candy for today.
Okay, look at all the candy we've got going
Can
on
I have some
everywhere.
of the chocolate one?
The marzipan.
No, that one.
This
No,
one.
the cookie one.
Oh, the cookie. Yeah, sorry, it was obscured by the glass. I couldn't see it. Okay, well, that was exceedingly fun. Thank you, ladies, for joining me. I'll put links to both of their channels in the description below, and make sure you go check out their videos and subscribe. Estefannie's vlog and Naomi's video of us taking apart scary Shenzhen spy gadgets. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Yum, ghost pepper.